Today we're heading to a truly unique luxury escape in the Maldives called the Cora Maldives. Located in the stunning Ray Alto, about 178 kilometers northwest of Mali, this resort sits on a beautiful private island surrounded by crystal clear waters and vibrant coral reefs. It's a destination known for combining relaxed luxury with fun, freedom focused concepts, making it perfect for couples, families, or anyone looking for a laid back island vibe. Let's talk about getting there. From the international airport in Mali, you can reach Cora Maldives via a scenic 45-minute seaplane flight or by a 30-minute domestic flight, followed by a 20-minute speedboat ride. Either way, the journey itself is part of the experience, offering breathtaking views of the Maldives' turquoise lagoons. Now let's look at the accommodation. The Cora Maldives features around 100 villas, including beach villas, lagoon villas, and overpool villas. Many come with private pools, direct beach access or ocean access, and spacious indoor-outdoor living spaces. The design blends modern comfort with a relaxed tropical feel, creating a true home away from home. Now let's talk weather and the best time to visit. The Maldives enjoys a warm tropical climate all year round. Average daytime temperatures range between 29 and 31 degrees Celsius, with warm nights around 25 degrees. The best time to visit is typically from November to April, during the dry season, when you'll enjoy sunny skies, calm seas, and perfect beach conditions. When it comes to amenities, this resort really stands out. The Cora Maldives offers a premium all-inclusive experience with multiple restaurants and bars, a spa and wellness center, a dive center, and even an on-site museum, which is rare for a Maldives resort. You will also find snorkeling, diving, water sports, sunset cruises, and family-friendly activities like a kids club. And there's plenty to explore nearby. The surrounding area is known for its rich marine life, making it perfect for snorkeling and diving adventures. You can also enjoy excursions to nearby islands, sandbanks, and coral reefs, offering unforgettable experiences in the Indian Ocean. So whether you're planning a romantic getaway, a family holiday, or simply a relaxing escape, the Cora Maldives offers a perfect mix of luxury, freedom, and island adventure. What an absolutely amazing place. And just getting there itself would be an adventure. A beautiful adventure. Can you imagine the things you would see from that seaplane? That would be an adventure right there. This is a 5-star resort. This is a beautiful place. And it does come with very good reviews on Agoda. It's got a rating of 9.3 out of 10, but unfortunately, there's only 437 reviews right now. But still, everybody that's leaving reviews seem to really like it here. It's an absolutely beautiful place. That's probably why. Right now, looking about 2 months ahead, the cost of this place is $440 US per night. That is, of course, without taxes and the cheapest option available. I will leave the link to Agoda in the video description. If you want to check it out, get more information, and check out the prices on your dates. This is not a cheap getaway, but it is absolutely beautiful. Maybe a once-in-a-lifetime experience. All right, guys, there it is as always. Thanks for watching. If you're new here and you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you on the next one.